How to make an Indian flag using a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. In order to solve, or let's say make an Indian flag, you need to first solve the Rubik's Cube. Okay, so if you do not know how to solve the Rubik's Cube, I'll just show you first. And for those of you who already know how to solve this Rubik's Cube, you can just skip this part. Okay, so I'll just put this Rubik's Cube out here, and first of all, let's solve this Rubik's Cube. Okay, so because there are a lot of people who are new and do not know how to solve the Rubik's Cube, so I'll just show you a quick method of solving this Rubik's Cube, and after that you can go and make your Indian flag. Okay, so all the Indians who are watching this, hit this like button, because I'm going to make a pattern about your flag. It's about India, it's an Indian flag. Okay, so hit that like button, just comment about your country, how much you love your country. Okay, so let's do it, guys. Let's hit this like button. Okay, so for now, let's go and start working with this method. Okay, so first of all, you have to solve this Rubik's Cube. Okay, so in order to solve this Rubik's Cube, make sure that you held this Rubik's Cube this way, and with this yellow center on the top. Okay, so now just bring 8 pieces out here. Okay, so 8 pieces which contains white. Okay, so let's see. So let's go, and you can see out here, this is an 8th piece which contains white. One is already there, another is here, we just bought. Now the next one is here. Okay, so all these 4 8 pieces which contains white. Okay, so the last one is here. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. Okay, we have 4 8 pieces. Okay, so this will be a pretty fast tutorial about solving this Rubik's Cube. If you want a detailed Rubik's Cube tutorial, if you want to solve the whole Rubik's Cube with detailed video, I'll leave a link on the description. Okay, so for now, let's just go fast. Okay, so once you get these 4 edges, go and find this red center piece. Okay, so you can start with any one. Okay, green, blue. Okay, so just when you match it with the center, you just have to rotate it 180 degree. Okay, do this for all these 3 white 8 pieces. Okay, but it also this is already matched with this center green, so we do this, and this is also matched. Of course, blue and blue is also matched. Okay, so now we got this white cross. After you get the white cross, now let's go to this corner piece out here. Okay, so let's look at this 4 corner pieces, and look for the one corner piece which contains white. Okay, sorry. Okay, so this contains white and red and green. Okay, so let's find red center out here and green. Okay, so red is here and green is here. Okay, so it's in its correct place. Okay, so if the cube was if this corner was here, you just have to bring it right here. Okay, so the corner piece should contain white, and yeah, and you have to look at these 2 colors. Okay, red and green, and red and green. You have to just hold the cube like this and do this right algorithm here. Okay, so I'm just showing you out here. Do the right algorithm till you solve this part. Okay, red and green is solved. Now again, do it for another one, green and orange, green and orange, green and orange. Okay, so green is here and orange is here. Okay, so green and orange. Now this corner piece should contain white. Okay, so I'm telling again and again. So again, hold this cube like that, this way, and just do the right algorithm. Okay, so if you want a detailed video, just go to my link on the description for this solving. Okay, so I'm just trying to solve it faster. Okay, so now once you solve this, yeah, because when people come here to make the Indian flag, they do not know the basics, so it's good to just teach them. Okay, so blue and orange. Okay, so blue and orange is here, it contains white, so again do the right algorithm. Okay, so you can see that we just solved the first layer. No, there's one more left. Okay, so you can see out here the corner piece which contains white, it has red and blue also, red and blue. So just do the right algorithm again. Okay, now we solved the first layer. Okay, now after you solve the first layer, congratulations, you are also learning how to solve the Rubik's Cube while making the Indian flag. Okay, so next thing is, now look for 8 pieces which do not contain yellow in it. Okay, so for example, this contains yellow. We ignore this also contains yellow. This is the edge piece, okay. Remember, these are the corner pieces and these are the edge pieces are here, okay. So this one, okay, green and red. So if you see green, just match it with the center. You can see out here, and look at the top, okay. So the red is on the left hand side, so we push this away from red, okay, and do the left algorithm once. You can see the left algorithm here. Now after you do the left algorithm, just make sure you push it to the right, okay. So to do the right algorithm, you do right algorithm once, okay. So again, go with this another one, okay. You match it with blue to the blue centerpiece and look for red, okay. Now in this case, red is in the right, okay. So in the previous case, red was in the left hand side. So since it's in the right hand side, you push it away from this red, okay. So push it away from this red and do the right algorithm once. And now since you did the right algorithm first, now you have to do the left algorithm. So you bring this cube to the left hand side and do the left algorithm as shown in this picture out here, okay. So now next one, again look for edge pieces which do not contain yellow, okay. So you have to ignore this, you have to ignore this piece. This is also a good one, okay. So this you can, either you can do this or this, okay. So again, orange is here, so just do the right algorithm once, left algorithm once, and you put it in the right hand side and do the right algorithm once, okay. Now let's find another piece which do not contain yellow. This is the green, okay. So orange is here, so you push it away, do the right algorithm once, bring it to the left, do the left algorithm once, okay. So we just solved the second layer also, okay. Now just look on the top, okay. So just look on the top, you'll find three cases, okay. So you can see the three situation or three conditions out here. Now this is this condition is met. So what you have to, you cannot hold this cube, okay. So you cannot hold this cube this way, you have to hold it this way, okay. So just look at the condition out there, okay. So now when you find this, so this is your front layer, so you have to follow this algorithm, new algorithm, do the right algorithm once, and again the front layer, bring it back, okay. So the next condition met is this horizontal line, okay. We can't hold it this way, you have to hold it this way, this horizontal line. So after you get this horizontal line, all you have to do is do this same algorithm one more time, okay. Now we form the cross pattern, okay. So we form the cross pattern as of this, and let's look for we have to match this edge piece color with the centerpiece, okay. So you can see that these two are matched, but this and this is not matched, okay. So whichever two sides are matched, okay, make sure you hold the cube this way, so that the one centerpiece which has a match with this top layer, put it on the right hand side, and other on the back hand side, okay. So hold this cube this way and do this formula, okay. So or the algorithm 1 2 1 2. Okay, so we just solved this Rubik's cube, these edge pieces, okay. We also solved the top layer edge pieces, the two layers, and this edge pieces, okay. So we solved it. Now let's look at the corner piece, okay. So this is the top layer corner piece. You can see that this corner piece is not in its exact position, okay, or in its good position, because this corner piece needs a blue, yellow and red, okay, but this contains orange, so this is not a correct piece. Yeah, this is in its correct place but not in its exact place, okay. That means you can see red, green, yellow, okay. So now in order to solve this Rubik's cube, you need red out here, yellow out here, and green out here. So all three colors are available in this piece. So this is in its correct place but not in its exact place, okay. So you have to hold this cube on the left, okay. So this is not in its correct place because it does not have green, it does not have orange, okay, it only has yellow. So the one which is in its correct place but not in its exact place, you have to keep it on the left hand side and follow this new algorithm. Okay, so let's see again, okay. So now this is in its correct place, this is still not in its correct place, okay. So the one which is in its correct place, again keep it in the left, and one which is not in its correct place, keep it on the right and follow this algorithm again. Okay, now you can see this has green, this has orange, this has yellow. Okay, so this is in its correct place, this is also in its correct place because it has orange, blue, yellow, and again this one red, yellow, blue. Yeah, so once all these four corner pieces are in its original, or let's say in its correct position, you just have to rotate the cube this way. Okay, you just have to rotate it this way and hold this cube anywhere you like. Okay, so make sure the white is on the top and do the right algorithm till you match this down layer. Okay, so you can see green and orange is matched now. So once it matched, just do D prime out here and again do the right algorithm till you match it with these two. Okay, so now again this and this is matched, again do D prime out here and do the right algorithm till you see a match. Okay, so again bring the one which is odd, keep doing the right algorithm, and now you just solved a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Okay, so you just solved a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Now if you guys did not understand this, okay, so if you are a newbie, okay, so most of my subscribers are already an expert on this. Okay, so because I've shown you a lot of other videos, I made fast videos, I made slow videos of even 40 minutes to go and learn this step. Okay, but if you are a newbie, okay, you may feel that if you do not know how to solve a Rubik's Cube, you may feel that I went fast. Okay, but only for the case of this video I just made it fast. Okay, if you want to learn, there are a lot of videos which I have made teaching you how to solve this first layer, second layer, third layer again. Okay, so please go through that. Okay, so just learn how to solve this Rubik's Cube watching my previous videos. Okay, so just go and look for the video with 39 minutes video which I have given you stepwise process. I did the same thing, but I did it very, very slowly and I gave you every details. Okay, so so after you solve this Rubik's Cube, now we'll go and we'll make this flag. Okay, so Indian flag. Okay, so in order to make this Indian flag, all you have to do is hold the cube this way. Okay, so hold the cube this way, and I'm sure you know this. This is the right layer, this is the left layer, this is the upper layer. Okay, so this is the down layer. Okay, so middle layer I'll call it as E. Okay, so if I do this means E. Okay, so and if I do this it means E prime. Okay, so remember that. Okay, so E and E prime, just remember that, and let's go and make the Indian flag. Okay, so okay, so hold this cube this way with blue facing towards you and white facing towards the ceiling. Okay, so first just do upper layer U once. Okay, and now this D layer, this is the down layer, just rotate it 2 times. Okay, so rotate it 2 times. Okay, so now this R layer, just do R prime. Okay, so R prime once. Okay, so now after that you remember this E, this is the middle layer, you just rotate it once. Okay, so E. Now R, this is the right layer, you just do R once. Okay, so right layer once. Now this E layer, this is E, go for the E prime. Okay, so do this E prime out here and do this left layer once out here. Okay, L. Okay, so after you do this, do this E layer again, do E prime. Okay, so just do E prime once, again L prime once, and last but not the least do E once. Okay, so yes, you just made an Indian flag. Okay, so you made this Indian flag very, very easily. So I hope you like this video. I solved this Rubik's Cube, and after I solved this Rubik's Cube, I made the Indian flag. Okay, so Independence Day was a few days ago. I couldn't make it the video when it was an Independence Day. Sorry about that to my Indian subscribers. Now hit the like button because I'm caring for a country. I just made flag, okay, so related to your country. I hope you like this video. I want you to go and smash the like button, okay, so hit that comment, show the power of India, okay. So let's go guys, let's go. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. You guys are awesome. Please like, subscribe and comment on my channel. I'm always happy to help you guys if you are confused anywhere. Anyway, thank you very much. I see you on the next one. Bye bye.